You got me wrapped around your touch, lose me and bring me down to earth. Oh, feels like I'm tired of you, 'cause baby I don't understand why
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another curly human hair half wig for you guys. Another video brought to you by ISEE Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring another video. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching.
coming back like your gravity. Ooh, baby, I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison, but you know better. How much I try to run away, I find myself just playing pretend. You make me fall in love. You make me fall in love and that again. Like a violin, who's gonna tell her? I just want you to open your mind, 'cause you got me mesmerized and baby I don't understand why I just keep coming back to insanity. Ooh, baby, I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison, but you know better. How much I try to run away, you make me fall in love. You make me fall in love and that again. Got that magnetic type of love. You give me just a little more and everything's all better. Show me your love, babe. It's never enough yet. There's nowhere to go. Lose control, don't you know? I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison, but you know better. How much I try to run away, I find myself just playing pretend.
Okay, so I have prepped my natural hair with the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse and the Wetline Extreme Gel. And I prepped the wig as well, but I only used the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. It's not dry all the way, but I'm gonna apply it anyway, and then I'm sure it's gonna dry while I do my makeup. So I'm gonna put this behind my natural hair, put the elastic band on, secure the back, secure the combs on the side. If you don't want to use the combs on the side, I would use bobby pins instead, and just adjust the drawstring in the back, tuck it in. And I'm going to push my hair into the root of this wig.
You make me fall in love. You make me fall in love and that again. I'm locked on you like magnets. I'm stuck on you, babe. I'm locked on you like magnets. Yeah. I'm locked on you like magnets, and I can't let go. You make me fall in love.
Alright. While this is on my head, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse it because it is still wet.
Make me fall in love and that again. Love and that again. Love and that again. Oh, fall in love again. You got me wrapped around your touch, lose me and bring me down to earth. Oh, feels like I'm tired of you, 'cause baby I don't understand why I just keep coming back like your gravity. Ooh, baby, I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison, but you know better. How much I try to run away, I find myself just playing want you to open your mind, 'cause you got me mesmerized and baby I don't understand why I just keep coming back to insanity.
All right guys, we are back and I have this wig styled up. This is gorgeous. I think this is my favorite of the colored ones that I've reviewed, because I reviewed the ombre brown one like a month ago, and of course I reviewed the natural color back in April, and that's what started it all for me. This is gorgeous. This is summer hair right here. So it's not a brown like that other one I reviewed, which was gorgeous too. This is more of a like a lighter blonde. Beautiful, very beautiful. I have all the specs in the description box for you guys. I'm pretty sure this is 18 inches. And I prepared my hair just like I always do with the Wetline Extreme Gel plus the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I do some finger coils. I let them dry and then I blend it with the wig. And for the wig, I use the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse as always. This is just beautiful and easy. It just looks so natural. I've reviewed like 3 lace wigs recently. They probably aren't going to be up just right yet, but even like the best lace wig, it just doesn't compare to a half wig with leave out, because it just looks so natural, like in all lighting situations. Of course, I don't have to do a sunlight test for you guys with this because it's a half wig and it's just my hairline out. But this is just really, really gorgeous. And I love this. It's so pretty. So pretty. And my makeup was informed by this hair, because this is a very summery, bronzy kind of look. So I went with that with my makeup, and I feel like it complements the wig very well. So I am going to probably do another, I'm probably not going to do a full, I don't think I'm going to do a full on half up, half down style. I'm just going to do 2 styles with this wig, all down, and then probably something that resembles half up, half down. I do have enough hair to do one because I've done one recently, but I don't have that much leave out. So we're going to see what we're going to do. I did a twist and pin with a wig I did, the natural color I did a few months ago, so I'll probably do that again. This is just gorgeous, really and truly. Okay, so I have this head, this hair tie here. I'm just gonna try to put this in a ponytail. Okay, I'm gonna fix this area in the front. And I'll probably bobby pin it so it's more smooth. I'm taking some of the hair from the back and just gonna wrap it around the base of the ponytail.
Baby, I'm locked on you like magnets. I can't let go of love. Your voice is like a poison, but you know better. How much I try to run away, I find myself just playing pretend. You make me fall in love. You make me fall in love and that again. God damn it.
Alright guys, so I did a half up, half down style for you guys, and I think it's very pretty. I do prefer it all down though, but I think this is very pretty. Yeah, this is really, really gorgeous and very summery. I did wash this wig before I styled it with my curl mousse. I didn't get like excessive amounts of shedding with this wig. So if you are interested in this wig, I'll have links to where you can shop this wig in the description box, as well as the specs. And I'll probably have like a playlist of the other ISEE Hair half wigs for you guys if you haven't seen those videos. Thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notifications so you're notified every time I upload. And follow me on all of my social media platforms at iFancyCupcakes on TikTok as well as Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Magnetic type of love, you give me just a little more and everything's all better.